Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to downtown Edmonton, Alberta. Nestled along the banks of the North Saskatchewan River, this vibrant area has been a gathering place for centuries. Long before modern streets and skyscrapers, Indigenous peoples thrived in the region, and in 1795, the Hudson's Bay Company established Fort Edmonton as a fur trading post, laying the groundwork for the city's growth. Over time, the area evolved into the bustling heart of Alberta's capital, blending historic charm with contemporary energy. Downtown Edmonton sits in the middle of the province, surrounded by the stunning river valley, the largest urban parkland in Canada. This green space offers trails, scenic overlooks, and a connection to nature right in the city's core. The North Saskatchewan River itself has long been a lifeline, shaping the land and supporting communities. Nearby landmarks like the Alberta Legislature Building, with its iconic dome, stand as symbols of the region's political and cultural heritage. As the city's economic and cultural hub, downtown Edmonton buzzes with activity, from historic buildings to modern developments. Its central location makes it a gateway to exploring the province, whether you're drawn to its riverside beauty, stories of the past, or the lively mix of shops, restaurants, and festivals. Here, history and progress walk hand in hand, inviting everyone to discover what makes this area unique. Edmonton is a vibrant and dynamic city that serves as the capital of the province and a major cultural and economic hub in Western Canada. Known as the Gateway to the North, Edmonton is strategically located on the North Saskatchewan River and is renowned for its rich history, diverse communities, and stunning river valley, which is the largest urban parkland in North America. Edmonton is also a leader in innovation and education, home to the University of Alberta and a thriving tech sector. With its blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty, Edmonton provides a high quality of life for its residents and a welcoming atmosphere for visitors, making it a truly unique and exciting place to explore. Thanks for watching!